So, as you know, students, so no, I never ate asparagus. So, writer answered, so he never eat asparagus. Next, see, we waited for the asparagus to be cooked. Panic says me it was not a question now of how much money I should have left over for rest of the month, but whether I had enough to pay the bill. So what your writer or narrator narrating us, so they were waiting for the asparagus to be cooked and panic says मीन्स तो राइटर को एक घबराहट सी महसूस हो गई है सडनली क्योंकि व्हाट वाज द बिल तो ही वाज सेइंग इट वाज नॉट अ क्वेश्चन हाउ मच बिल दैट मनी आई शुड हैव लेफ्ट और फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ मंथ उनके पास कितना पैसा बचना चाहिए उनको महीने के एक्सपेंडिचर के लिए वो अभी उनको वो नहीं सोच रहे बट वेदर आई हैड इनफ टू पे द बिल बट व्हाट इज थिंकिंग बट यू हैव टू पे इनफ एज ए बिल और उनको यहाँ पे ज़्यादा अभी बिल पे करना है ये सोच के उनको पैनिक यानी एक घबराहट सी हो गई यस इट वुड बी mortifying mortifying to find myself 10 francs short and be obliged to borrow from my guest. So what he says, what you thinking? If you ashamed, उनको अभी एक शर्म ashamed आ रहा है क्योंकि अगर वो अपने गेस्ट से ही पैसे उनको मांगने पड़े क्योंकि उन्होंने उनको लंचन के लिए बुलाया अगर उनको ही वो पैसे मांगे बिल भरने के कुछ तो ये शर्मनाक बात है दैट वाज राइटर थिंकिंग आई न्यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ मच आई हैड एंड इट इफ द बिल केम टू मोर I made up my mind that I would put my hand in my pocket and with a dramatic cry start up and say it had been picked. So देखो राइटर के मन में क्या ख्याल है कि अगर मानो मैं ऐसा करूँ तो वो कुछ नए आइडिया ढूंढ रही है ना सपोज व्हाट यू टू डू वो बोल रहे कि मानो मैं एक नाटक करूँगा कि एक प्रिटेंड करूँगा मानो कि मेरे जेब में हाथ डालूंगा और एक छोटी सी प्रिटेंड वाली क्राई करूँगा एक रोने का नाटक करूँगा और बोलूँगा कि मेरी पॉकेट में से मेरा पॉकेट किसी ने चुरा लिया या फिर वो गिर गया है या फिर वो पॉकेट किसी ने पिक किया है ऐसा कुछ वो नाटक करने वाले हैं बिकॉज व्हाट इज प्रिटेंडिंग इज थिंकिंग लाइक दैट हाँ नॉट हिडन बट इज थिंकिंग लाइक दैट ऑफ कोर्स इट वुड बी awkward if she had not money enough either to pay the bill और फिर साथ में सोच रहे अगर मैं ऐसा बोल दूँ अगर कहीं वो गेस्ट के पास हो डैट लेडी के पास ही अगर बिल पे करने के लिए पैसे नहीं होंगे तो फिर क्या हो सकता है देन द ओनली थिंग वुड बी टू लीव माई वॉच एंड से आई वुड कम बैक एंड पे लेटर सो व्हाट द राइटर वाज थिंकिंग द लास्ट ऑप्शन ही हैड विथ हिम दैट इज टू गिव ओके तो the next the final idea he thought so he will say that waiter that owner of the restaurant he will give his watch instead of the money and he would say he would come back and pay later the asparagus appeared that on table that a servant that waiter gave them I watched her thrust then down her throat in large mouthfuls. At last she finished, and writer was looking at her face, how hungrily she was with thirsty. She was eating that asparagus. At last she finished. Coffee, I said. So see, three items she had eaten here. But what did she said? Only one food item she offered, never more than one. But she has finished three items. Now writer offered her coffee, so she replied, "Yes, just an ice cream and coffee." So she added more as a with coffee she wanted to have an ice cream also. See that five items are already there. She answered, I was past caring now. So that writer past caring now, it's one kind of phrase. It means no longer interested. So writer was no longer interested. So I ordered coffee for myself and then ice cream and coffee for her. So for that lady, writer ordered coffee and ice cream and only for him he offered or he ordered a coffee. You know, there is one thing I thought. What she said? What she says? Yes, you know, there one thing I thought thoroughly believe in. She said as ate the ice cream, one should always get up from a meal feeling one could eat a little more. So what she is saying here, so she told to writer, one should always get up from a meal feeling one could eat a little more. So whatever we eat the meal, lunch, what we have to feel, we have to feel still our stomach is empty for to eat something. मैंने वो क्या उनको बोला कि हमें इतना खाना चाहिए कि हमें फिर भी फीलिंग होनी चाहिए कि मेरे पेट में और भी जा सकता है, मैं और कुछ भी खा सकती हूँ. देखो, आई वॉज स्पीकिंग फॉर यू. तो ऐसे बोल कि फ्रॉम अ मील फीलिंग वन कुड ईट अ लिटिल मोर, और कुछ थोड़ा और हम लोग खा सकते. आर यू स्टिल हंग्री? आई आस्क फेंटली. सो देखो, राइटर इज आस्किंग टू हर, आर यू स्टिल hungry? Very slightly writer asked her very casually, you are hungry? Oh no, I am not hungry. So what she replied, oh no, I am not hungry. Then, okay, sorry. You see, I don't eat luncheon. I have a cup of coffee in the morning and the dinner, but I never ate more than one thing for luncheon. I was speaking for you. So see what she is telling to the writer. Very humorous. Already she has eaten, she has taken these five items and she is telling to writer, I had nothing eaten to the luncheon. Only I have tea in the morning and dinner, coffee in the morning and then dinner, but I never eat more than one thing for luncheon. I was speaking for you. Oh, I see. Then a terrible thing happened. While we were waiting for the coffee, the head waiter came up to us bearing a large basket of huge peaches, but surely peaches were not in season then. Lord knew what they cost. See, when they were taking this coffee, so suddenly what let us saw that a head waiter was passing from that having a peaches of that huge basket, and mostly the peaches, the season of was not of that peaches. So writer was thinking, what may be the cost? It may be a high cost of these peaches. I knew a little later for my guest, going on with her conversation absent-mindedly took one. And when she was passing the to absent-minded, she picked up one from that basket. तो राइटर बोल रही है कि उनके जो गेस्ट है, तो उस गेस्ट ने भी वहाँ से वो पीछे से एक को ले लिया है. You see, you have filled your stomach with a lot of meat. My one miserable little chop, and you can't eat anymore. But I have just had a snack and I shall enjoy a peach. Dekho, how the comedy, how the humors. So what she's telling? She's telling to writer, I think you'll fill stomach with your lot of meat. यानी क्योंकि that mutton chop writer has taken, so she told to him like that. And my one miserable little chop, and you can't eat anymore. But I have just had a snack. तो वो उसको क्या बोल रहे कि मैंने सिर्फ क्या लिया, स्नैक लिया है, आपने तो पेट भर के खाना खाया है. एंड आई शैल एंजॉय पीच, और फिर अभी मैं क्या एंजॉय करूँ, दैट पीच. आई एम एंजॉइंग दैट पीच. द बिल केम एंड व्हेन I paid it, I found that I had only enough for a quite inadequate tip. सो राइटर ने जब बिल आया, जो बिल दे दिया, तो राइटर के पास इतना भी पैसा नहीं बचा कि वो उस वेटर को कोई टिप दे सके. जैसे हमारे कल्चर है, वी गिव द टिप टू दैट वेटर. सो inadequate मीन्स insufficient. Her eyes rested for an instant on the three fans. I left instead on the three fans. I left for the I left for the waiter and I knew that she thought me mean. तो उनके पास सिर्फ कितने फ्रांस बचे थे? 3 फ्रांस and which he left for the waiter. I know that she thought me mean, but when I walked out of the restaurant, I had a whole month before me and not a penny in my pocket. So see the incident what happened. So he had paid the bill and nothing is left in his pocket. Now next line, see here. Follow my example, she said as we shook hands. So what's he told to writer? To the narrator, follow my example. She said as we shook hands and never eat more than one thing for lunch. She advised to the writer, never eat more than one thing for lunch. And already she had taken 5 items. What a irony, what a controversy. I will do better than that. I retorted. So he told means very rapidly, very quick, in with anger. I reported, I will eat nothing for dinner. फिर राइटर ने क्या रिप्लाई किया कि आज के डिनर में मैं कुछ भी नहीं खाऊंगा. Humorist, she cried galley. Galley means with happy. She cried galley, jumping into cab and वो कहाँ गई? उस टैक्सी में उस कैब में जाकर बैठ गई. You are quite a humorist. And she replied, she told to writer, you are the humorist, because writer told him he will not he will not eat during his dinner. Last paragraph. But I have had my revenge at last. तो राइटर बोले कि मेरा रिवेंज हो गया. क्या कि आई डू नॉट बिलीव दैट आई एम विंडिक्टिव, सो रिवेंजर्स. राइटर खुद क्या बोल रहे? रिवेंजफुल. सो आई एम नॉट अ रिवेंजफुल, मेरा बदला हो गया. मैन, बट वेन द गॉड्स टेक हैंड इन द मैटर इट इज अंडरस्टैंडेबल टू ऑब्जर्व द रिजल्ट विद सेटिस्फैक्शन. तो जो बोलते कि मैंने, लेकिन जब मानो किसने गॉड में अपने हाथ में ले लिया तो that result may be the observe the result with satisfaction, and that is today she weighs 21 stones. और जब राइटर बोल रहे कि देखो राइटर हमें क्या बोल रहे कि उनकी एक वो 20 साल पुरानी एक उनका जो लंचन होता है लेडी के साथ वो एक्सपीरियंस हमें बोल रहे थे, शेयर कर रहे थे. और जब वो मिले थिएटर में तो उनका वेट, तो राइटर देख के खुश हो गया कि मेरा बदला पूरा होगा, क्योंकि उनका वेट बढ़ गया. तो कितना वेट हो गया था उस लेडी का? दैट सी वेट्स 21 stone. So that one stone in that language, as one stone is equal to 6.5 किलोग्राम. तो 6.5 किलोग्राम कितने हो गए तो आप काउंट कर सकते हो. तो वन स्टोन मीन्स 6.5 किलोग्राम to 21. So we can multiply 21 by 6.5. Whatever the answer, so we can say very fat. So that is the students very humorous lesson we can say. Here narrated us. So I hope you have understood it like this. More lessons with simple explanation. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Now thanks. I hope you have understood it. Thanks for watching.